Hello students, today we are going to start from where we have left yesterday. Point number 8. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. It means that afternoon, at that day, in afternoon, a neighbor came to their house, Charo's house. Charo's father politely offered her a cup of sake. It means when a person comes to your house, so you offer him tea, coffee, cold drink. You give now. So Taro's father politely means kindly, give her a cup of sake. The lady drank it greedily. Greedily means लालची होकर उसने उसे पी लिया. एंड थैंक्ड द ओल्ड मैन, और उसको थैंक यू कहा. देन चारो टोल्ड हर द स्टोरी ऑफ मैजिक वाटरफॉल. देन तारोस told her the story of magic waterfall. He told her how he got this sake. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. She ran away from their house. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. It means she has told this story to each and every person of the village. That evening, there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. At that day, many people came and went away from Taro's house. Each man heard the story of waterfall and took a sip of sake. हर एक आदमी ने कहानी सुनी और साके की एक घूंट पी. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. Only in 1 hour, the pitcher was empty. Next morning, Taro started for the work earlier than the morning before. Morning होने से पहले ही टारो ने अपना काम शुरू कर दिया. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned, for he intended first of all to go to waterfall. When he reached, जब वो waterfall पे पहुंचा, what he found to his great surprise all his neighbors there. Because he had told the story of sake as he got from waterfall. They were carrying pitcher, jar, buckets, anything they could find to hold the magic sake. It means घर में जो कुछ भी मिला, चाहे उन्हें बाल्टी मिली, बर्तन मिला, पोट मिला, जार मिला, जो कुछ भी मिला वो उठा के वाटरफॉल पे पहुंच गए. Then one villager knelt and knelt is second form of kneel. Kneel means घुटनों के बल हो जाना. एक आदमी झुका and held his mouth under the waterfall to drink. He drank again and then shouted angrily, "Water! Nothing but water!" It means जब उसने पानी पिया तो वो कुछ भी नहीं था, केवल water ही था. Others also tried, but there was no sake, only cold water. कुछ भी नहीं था, cold water ही था. That's why they were angry. Angry means गुस्सा आ जाना. Clear? We have been tricked. It means we have been deceived. Deceive, धोखा देना. Trick, धोखा देना. Shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in this waterfall. कहते हैं कि इसी waterfall में उसे डुबो देंगे. but Taro had a wise enough to slip behind a rock when he saw how things were going. जब उसने देखा कि चीज़ें कैसे हो रही हैं तो वो रॉक के पीछे, एक चट्टान के पीछे छुप जाता है. He was nowhere to be found. लोगों को वो कहीं नहीं मिला. Muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. एक एक करके सारों ने उस जगह को छोड़ दिया. Muttering means बड़बड़ाना, speaking unclearly. गुस्से में बड़बड़ाते हुए, निराश होकर, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मीन्स निराश होकर वो वहाँ से चले गए. टारो केम आउट फ्रॉम हिज हाइडिंग प्लेस. छुपे हुई जगह से टारो वापस आता है. वॉज इट ट्रू? क्या ये सच है? ही वंडर्ड. वो सोच रहा था, बहुत हैरान था. वॉज द साके अ ड्रीम? क्या ये एक सपना था? वंस मोर ही कॉट a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips. फिर से उसने पानी को उठाया और अपने होठों पे लगाया. It was the same fine sake. वो साके ही था. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious sake. Thoughtful son के लिए waterfall ने साके दिया. And to everyone else, it gave only cold water. और बाकी सब के लिए cold water. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached to the emperor of Japan. जापान के राजा के पास ये कहानी पहुंची. He sent for the young woodcutter and sent for means उसे बुलाया. And rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. इतना अच्छा, इतना दयालु होने की वजह से उसे 20 pieces of gold दिया. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after टारो. और टारो के नाम के पीछे उसके उस फाउंटेन का, उस वाटरफॉल का नाम टारो वाटरफॉल रख दिया. दिस सेड द एम्परर वॉज टू एनकरेज ऑल द चिल्ड्रन टू ऑनर एंड ओबे देयर पेरेंट्स. ये सब उसने क्यों किया? क्योंकि इस वजह से उसको देख के कि कोई लड़का था, बहुत ही थॉटफुल था, अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में बहुत सोचता था. तो जब बच्चों को ये वाटरफॉल की स्टोरी सुनाई जाएगी तो वो भी अपने पेरेंट्स को सम्मान देंगे और उनको फॉलो करेंगे, उनको जो भी वो ऑर्डर देंगे उसको ओबे करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी एंड दिस इज़ अ जापानीज स्टोरी रीटोल्ड. रीटोल्ड मीन्स it is told again. So we will discuss question answer in the next video. Thank you.